We are in Ely, Nevada. A lot of people might not be aware, but we are 60 miles either way from any type of civilization. True Harmony Company is a branch of Silver Lion Farms. So Silver Lion Farm does with alfalfa, which is hay, and then True Harmony Company deals with actual cannabis. So the facility is currently 250,000 square feet. On an average day, we have roughly 30 employees here. We have 100 plus cameras within the greenhouse, trying to make sure we don't have any blind spots. We can cover everything.
At the very end of this hall is where our harvest starts, and then the product just process flows down this hallway. We have our dry rooms, breakdown rooms, packaging, testing, and then our final storage of vault. We have fish eyes to get coverage over everything and cover all of our blind spots. One of the things we did was install the AI cameras down the center of our canopy here, and there's 6 in this hall.
The Fermata system was great in helping us maintain our plants, detecting anything that may have gone wrong that could have stopped the growth.
I will be honest, I didn't think the AI would be able to spot better than the human eye. I was wrong. It was incredible how well it was able to identify any type of pest pressure. And one of the early identifications that these cameras picked up was actually some thrift pressure.
Hanwha's been really great coming up with great solutions for us to be able to stay connected and not have to worry about not being within regulations with CCB. Because anytime that we do not have camera connection, the CCB cannot look at our cameras. That's something we can get fined on. We have to report it immediately. There's a log, we have to do a report. So Hanwha's been great in making sure that we stay connected and we don't have those issues. The Wave platform, I love it. For somebody that never used that platform before coming here, it was something very easy to get into, very easy to learn. Just getting in contact with Hanwha to say we need more cameras has been just an easy process. I would say it's one of the easiest camera systems I've used in my 20 years.